Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1973 MGB GT Sports Coupe, finished in this really attractive mineral blue. I don't know if it's teal blue or mineral blue, but it's, I believe it's teal blue, but super beautiful color for this GT. Kind of a custom gray black interior. 4-speed mini light alloys and fitted air conditioning, which is a game changer for everyone out there that wants to drive one of these cars in a warm climate. So this is fitted with an AC system that works, so it's pretty amazing. This car was mechanically and cosmetically restored within the last 5-6 years. It's in beautiful condition overall. So the paint was redone, chrome, rubber, mechanically completely gone through and rebuilt. I just took this for a drive. Runs and drives really nicely. It's got a Weber carb fitted. Have a look at all the still photos. I'm doing this walk around video now, but you're gonna get a better idea from all the still pictures. Really great paint overall. You can see the finish on it's really lovely. Couple little chips I've noticed. There's a little chip there on the door that could be touched up. And then there was like a little blem in the bodywork here, just kind of like a light lifting right there. But the rest of the car looks pretty darn good. So gaps are nice. Kind of original triplex windshield in, windshield's probably a 7 or 8 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it is still pretty nice and serviceable. But new mini light alloys fitted with tires. Chrome's good, glass is good. We'll do a slow walk around here before we get to the interior. Yeah, the GT market as of late has equaled or maybe even surpassed the Roadster market. We're getting a lot more interest when we list a BGT for sale rather than a Roadster, because I think the market's finally waking up and realizing how pretty the styling is on the BGT. And then they're also much more rare than the Roadster. For every 100 Roadsters made, they only made 15 in the GT model. So the market is finally waking up, and maybe someday the GT will be worth a lot more than a Roadster. But right now we're seeing it equal or maybe a little bit ahead of the Roadster market. But yeah, this is a nice car. It's I bought it from a dealer, and he had it in his inventory and was using it a bit and driving it, and it's a well-exercised little car, runs and drives great mechanically. You can see me driving it there, whipping it around the streets. Really good handling, shifting, braking, steering, good oil pressure. Pretty sorted out mechanically. And like I said, the game changer is that fitted air conditioning, which is spectacular to have. A lot of people in warm climates would love to buy a GT from us, but they really want that air conditioning. So really nice door panels. It's got a custom modern radio. Dash is in great shape. It's wearing a dash cap, I believe. But let me show you this nice job they did on this custom interior with these MG logo seats. Modalita style wood steering wheel, and those are your AC controls under the modern radio fitted. Nice carpets, rear seat upholstery. They even went through the effort to do a little custom made little storage cover here for the back. But pretty nice color scheme with this dark blue with this really attractive black and gray trim. Let's take a look at the headliner. Headliner to me looks original. It's in really good condition. There's no rips or tears anywhere going on. But yeah, if you want to watch, take a look at the driving video just preceding this. Really nice, sure-footed, running, driving MGB. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. Yeah, so engine compartment-wise, you can see it was an original teal blue car, rebuilt engine with that fitted air conditioning system, Weber carb. You've got all the AC radiator here with an electric fan. There's some updated wiring and pretty nice, clean, tidy engine compartment in the original colors. Yeah, original alloy hood. I can feel the weight of that, and it is the original aluminum hood. Nice little Union Jack decal on the side there. So yeah, let me just stand back here and see if I can get the whole thing in my beautiful little thing. So yeah, 1973 MGB GT, teal blue with black and gray trim, 4-speed, mini light alloys, air conditioning fitted that actually works for a change. Nicely restored cosmetically, mechanically, turnkey on the button, ready to go. And if you're looking for a GT, there's just you've got slim pickings out there. There's not a lot of nicely restored GTs in good colors with alloys and AC fitted. This thing's a winner. Runs and drives really nicely. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.